First thing you need to do when removing a Saturn door latch is you get your tool to remove the door latch. And you start by hitting the edge right here. Remove the plastic. Beautiful like that. See that piece there? You don't even need that. Then you take this here, and you take this and rip it all down like that. Boom! Get that out of the way. Exposing the door latch. Now it gets a little trickier from here, because you do have to get this inside door skin off, I think. So, being nice and tidy and clean, you put all the parts back inside the car. Okay, just kind of assessing the situation here. Now you get your basic torch, and you want a flame about that long. We're going to cut from here to over here and down and across. And there's going to be some rods inside. You're going to have to cut the rods. The customer, I'm sure, can figure it out how these come apart. What's that, Barney? He's advising me we don't cut it, we actually have to unfold it. This is kind of putting a damper on my plans for the day. I have so many classes to teach on how to remove parts, but we will do this with bolts then. We have your basic T30 socket here. Still on the extension. If I had the impact gun, I would buzz these out with an impact gun. First bolt's coming out just nice, perfect. That's what you like to see. Second bolt, yeah. So far, no problems. Yeah, liking this so far. Third bolt. Oh, what the fuck is that? Get the fuck out of there! Fuck! Fucking spider! Fuck! Oh, now we're fucked. Now we can't get the door open. Okay, we're back in business. Actually, the end of that door was my kiss. I used to train, like with Bruce Lee and stuff. You just go, dragon kick, and you go, whoa! You knock 100 Coke cans over in no time flat. Okay, so we're at the part where I normally torch the son of a bitch out of there. But this is not happening, so kind of got to pry, break, bend, cheat, do whatever it takes to get the son of a bitch out of there at this point. There's another rod there. It's a lot easier when you can just torch things. Okay, that's number 2. Oh, that fucking spider! Fuck! Oh, I think I got him this time. Okay, let's try and get this open again. Okay, things are happening. Now I just need some kind of prying tool. Okay. This is not a proper pry bar. Don't do this at home with your tools, kids. The fucking spider better be gone. Hey! New record, time it. 4 minutes, 24 seconds. Have a good one.